Configure silent periods to prevent messages from going out at unwanted times. Journey time zone. Quiet times are applied using the time zone set for the journey. Audience time zone. Quiet times are applied using each contact's local time zone. Before you set quiet times, you need to decide which time zone they will follow. This decision is key, as it determines how the rules are enforced. Update quiet times rules. Use general quiet times for one broad rule across a single region. Use advanced quiet times to set different rules by country, state, or phone number. Create quiet time rules too. Set different hours for commercial versus transactional messages. Customize by channel. Define weekly or overnight quiet hours. Block messages on specific dates like holidays or events. You can set quiet times differently for each channel. For example, people are usually less happy about getting calls or texts late at night than emails. That's why you might choose tighter limits for text messages and more relaxed hours for emails. Simply click Edit next to No Quiet Time for the channel. Pick the days and hours to pause sending, and use Add to include more time slots during the week. This flexibility helps ensure your messages are sent at the right time for the right audience. By tailoring quiet times for each channel, you can improve engagement, reduce unsubscribes, and create a better overall customer experience. Quiet dates let you block messages on specific days, like holidays or company events. Select a channel, edit the quiet date, and set the start and end dates to pause message delivery. When you create and save a quiet time setting for the first time, the system will ask if you want to apply it to all existing journeys and messages. Choosing Apply to All will update the quiet time setting across all compliance profiles.